ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಏನ್ರಿ, Karnataka is not just meant for its filter coffee and Mysore Pak. It's also the land of top MBBS colleges in India. From BMC RI in the heart of Bangalore to KMC Manipal near the beaches, Karnataka has something for every neat aspirant. So quickly grab your notebook because Namma friends, let's decode MBBS colleges in Karnataka like a pro. So let's start with the basics. Why Karnataka? Karnataka has 60 plus MCI and NMC approved medical colleges. It has a strong mix of government colleges, private colleges and deemed universities. It's one of the few open states. Other state students can also apply. It has excellent clinical exposure due to high patient flow. And modern cities like Bangalore, Mysore, Mangalore have the top infrastructure and student life. And the best part, the state has colleges for every kind of students, from rankers aiming for BMC RI and to those who are looking for good private colleges like MS Ramaya or KMC. Now, let me take you to the top medical colleges in Karnataka. BMC RI, Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. It's a premium government college located in the central Bangalore. It has affiliated hospitals like Boring, Victoria, Vanivilas, PMSSY Super Speciality. And the cutoff for general category is 600 plus NEET marks. And the fees is just 70,000 total approx. It's a government quota. The vibe here has intense clinical exposure plus city hustle, that is a solid med life. And the next one is Mysore Medical College and Research Institute. It's one of the oldest medical colleges in India. It has the stunning colonial architecture and campus. It has the excellent academics plus peaceful Mysuru lifestyle. It's a great choice for those who want a balance of heritage and healthcare. KIMS Hubli, Karnataka Institute of Medical Science. It's known for trauma, rural healthcare and emergency medicine. It has very high patient load, so it's raw and real clinical cases. It's also the top pick for students from North Karnataka. Now let's talk about the best private and deemed medical universities. KMC Manipal and KMC Mangalore, that is Kasturba Medical College. It's ranked in India's top 10 private medical colleges consistently. It has great global exposure, high-tech labs and research focused. It has a strong NRI community and the fees is approx 70 to 80 lakhs for total MBBS. And also get the placement in top hospitals across the world. St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. It's ranked among India's top 15. It's a Christian minority institution known for community medicine. It has excellent faculty and strong medical ethics training. The fees is around 30 to 35 lakh approx and NEET is required plus Christian candidates have a preferences. MS Ramaya Medical College located in the central of Bangalore and has a great hospital tie-ups. It has a tech-enabled campus and a decent hostel life and also competitive NEET cutoff for private quota. And the fees is around 50 to 60 lakh approx. JSS Medical College, Mysuru. It's the NAC A+ rated deemed university. It's affordable compared to other in its league. It has a strong research base plus international electives. And the fees is around 70 to 75 lakh approx. Now let's talk about the admission process and the counselling. For government and private colleges seat handled by KEA, Karnataka Examination Authority. Participate in KEA counselling even if you are from outside Karnataka. For deemed universities like JSS or KMC, register at MCC, Medical Counselling Committee. Must have documents, NEET scorecard, 10th and 12th mark sheet, domicile or eligibility docs, ID proof, photos, etc. Here's a pro tip. Karnataka also has a good number of management plus NRI quota seats, so plan your budget accordingly. Top government colleges like BMC RI and KIMS, premium private institutions like KMC Manipal and St. John's. It also has a mix of modern cities plus peaceful towns, and also good options for every NEET score bracket. If you want solid academic, real-world hospital experience and a great student life, then Karnataka's MBBS colleges are lit. So comment below, BMCRI vibes or the Manipal campus life, which one are you manifesting? And also don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow us on Instagram for more MBBS breakdown, and I'll see you in the next one.